Hi, welcome to Ask a Remodeler, where we answer our clients' most asked questions that we hear every day. I'm Chris Fox, Design Sales Manager of Fox Home Innovations. We are a design, remodel, build firm that focuses on quality construction and design work with an emphasis on delivering the ultimate client experience. Let's get started. What's the first step when it comes to learning about your remodel? Oftentimes, we have clients that reach out to us every day that want to know what's their first step. What we call that is the first site visit. The site visit is where we come out, we visit your home, we take a look at what your existing conditions are and really learn more about you and what your goals are, so that we can articulate a scope of work that makes sense to hopefully meet and exceed your expectations throughout the remodeling experience. What we'll do is we'll collect photos, might take some possible measurements, and really just have a conversation and talk a little bit about what to expect and really what the next steps are when it comes to planning a remodel. With all that information, we're going to be able to articulate and put together an initial scope of work and proposal for you. That's what our goal is at this visit, is to really understand you, your home, and everything that's going on around you, so that we can develop the perfect plan to meet all those needs. Our site visit is the first step to learning about your remodel. Thank you for watching our video today. Make sure you're following us on all the social media platforms and reach out to us to learn more.